Hello students, today I am going to teach you the Lincoln's address at Gettysburg. In the previous videos, I taught you about the causes of the American Civil War and the outbreak of the Civil War. In this video, I will teach you the Lincoln's address at Gettysburg and the importance of Gettysburg Address and end of war. So in Lincoln's address at Gettysburg, the Gettysburg Address is a speech that US President Abraham Lincoln delivered during the American Civil War at the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania on the afternoon of Thursday, November 19, 1863. 4.5 months after the Union armies defeated those of the Confederate at the Battle of Gettysburg. Abraham Lincoln's speech address is regarded as the masterpiece speech in American history. There were 273 words in the speech. Each and every line of the speech was well thought out and carefully prepared. 15,000 people had gathered at Gettysburg. Now the importance of Gettysburg Address. It redefined the Civil War. He said, war is not just to save the Union, but also to establish the principle of equality. He focused on the fact that the foundation of America is not on its constitution but on the Declaration of Independence. The Gettysburg Address developed a true democracy in America. It also inspired a movement for true democracy across the world. Gettysburg Address boosted the morale of the citizens of the USA during the Civil War. It was the toughest time in American history. Through this address, Lincoln established himself as the greatest supporter of democracy. Now, the end of war. The Confederate Army was defeated after a 4-year-long fight. Robert E. Lee was the general of the Confederate Army. He surrendered to the Union General Ulysses S. Grant. Thus, the war ended in 1865. Northern forces won because they had more resources, greater access to war materials, and control over the sea. The most important factor was the able leadership of Abraham Lincoln. Now the quick revision. Take the correct answers. Harriet Beecher Stowe's novel Uncle Tom's Cabin was published in 1863, 1861, 1851 or 1852. So the correct answer is 1852. Second is the Civil War started in 12 January 1863, 12th April 1861, 12 July 1861 or 12 April 1863. Answer is 12 April 1861. Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation in July 1861, January 1863, July 1863 or January 1861. Answer is January 1863. The Battle of Gettysburg was fought in July 1861, January 1863, July 1863 or January 1861. So the answer is July 1863. Now question B is write T for true and F for false statements. The population of the US was increasing due to growth in American economy. It is true. The southern and the northern states did not fight over the new states. False. Uncle Tom's Cabin portrayed an ugly side of slavery. It is true. Abraham Lincoln was the President of the Confederate States of America. It is false. Now in the next video I will explain you the period of Reconstruction, importance of Abraham Lincoln and the rest of the question and answers. So wait for the next video. So thank you for today.